Welcome to the Woods Family Stories.
Black Death.
After a heavy breakfast, shopping pa. Hey. Grocery. Hey guys, shopping na this.
Good morning.
We had black currant. I'm gonna do orange.
Really embarrassed being knocked over by a 16-year-old.
Jacob! Hoy! Hello guys! Hi Jacob! Si Jacob gahilak na siya dito. Kaya nag-change sila routine. Every time na I-changes bitaw sa routine niya mo, ma-upset siya. Maunagin ang mga autistic na mga children. Na maanad sila ana nga routine unya dayon all of a sudden mausab. Something like that. So pag abot na mo dito naghilak siya niya. Pa-end naman nilang session. So nagsinging sila. Na si Jacob dito gauntol-untol. Init ka ayo guys. Super duper duper ever init. Hey guys, maayong hapon. Hidbana na to ni atong hapon. Init kaayos kawas as in super kainit. There sus murag aso-asos kainit. Grabe siya no. But kantang mo hato, kang kay kong mo hatunon. Uy, tomorrow mag-attend big birthday party sa friend namo. Unya, sito ade. Duka ko na may ihigda. Thank God kay si Sofia kwaon ni Monique today. So ato siya silang Zoe, magduwa sila dito and then 5 o'clock na mo sila pick upon. So muna siya mag-andam ko die. I need to go to the loft kay makoy kwaon. Asan ba ko? Langga, you have to move. You have to move, Langga. Kay I'm going up there. Nakoy buhaton. So ayun, tuan pa no, tagan kong gibuhat. Mag-coffee break sa ta. Si tawag ani, lagi pas tinuod, baklag ani. Gawa sa iyong maitoy o. Nag-post ko mga kuan sa itawag nag-post ko sa mga old clothes nila Sofia. Picturean ako kaya ako ipang baligya pre-love na may app dere na mabaligyaan mo na magsikog post sa locker. Bahali siya barato mo kay baligya po tag 5 pounds, 3 pounds ana. So muna akong gibuhat o akong mga sinina ali masapto inana sa kakanaog ko dito sa loft kay ang ako ang kuan sa attic gipamutang na ko dito ang mga sinina nako picturean kay silbi. 3:56. Mag-hoover ko taon-taon. Hindi ko mura giduka man. Mas beanbag. So, hindi na ko siya i-move. Para galimuot. Basta kape. Hey guys, giyupak na oaks. It's 5 o'clock na. Daddy want to pick Sophia up from Zoe's. Si Jacob tulog. May batang tulog. Pagkalooy. Katugi ko kadjut kayo. Ising ko nakapinwag nito ko. Meron kong pizza rani sila May as kong tubo Hey guys, Sophia's back. And she's sticking her stickers, glowy stickers on.
I accidentally moved my tongue. Put them right here.
Sophia's sticking the on. Sticking her stickers, her glowy stick-ons. She just came back. She just came back from Zoe's. You spread it out.
I am.
No, I mean here, everywhere. Okay.
I just want to put them right at the window because when I wait.
Smile first to the camera. See. Do you want some apple? Wow! At habang tayo ay naglalaba, good evening, guys. Ayun, it's already night time and Sophia's doing her card. Now, mag-attend my birthday tomorrow. Yeah, so she's writing her card to Bluebell. Greeting card. Birthday greeting card for Bluebell. Tomorrow.
It says to Bluebell.
So we are going to sleep now. Oh, sleep now. Mag-get ready pag-anit ko. I'm just tired. Naluya ko kung ipang buhat. Bye, guys. See you again next time. Bye-bye.
Let me just show them the card.
Here's the card.